very, very warm welcome to Dassault Systèmes Benelux and in our Den Bosch office for our first simulation day.
Yeah, so it's great to have our customers here today to enable us to the opportunity to show them our simulation portfolio. It's important for them to come and see what we can do because a lot of customers don't appreciate the full portfolio we have within SOLIDWORKS. Today we've been covering our structural simulation, our fluids and also our electromagnetics, which is a growth area for a lot of companies.
So today I spoke about structures, which is a very wide branching area of simulation. It's probably the biggest one in terms of its applications. And you always learn something new every day about how someone's using tools, whether or not it's from a presentation or whether or not you're sitting talking to people in the room or you overhear them talking about their applications and you get a lot of kind of insights as to how you could approach your problem.
It's really important for customers to be in events like this because we really try to bring extra knowledge, new innovations in our products that are useful for the public, for our customers, to create better products in a shorter time. And what I really liked is there was a lot of interaction between the customers, our specialists, and customers talking to each other.
We have, I think, between the 30 and 40, so 40 licenses. And a few simulation licenses. To me, it's really a wake-up call. I'm in this business for a few years already, but a wake-up call where simulation is currently standing. So we try to follow or align our roadmap together with the roadmap of Dassault and specifically SOLIDWORKS, and in this case the simulation part.
Yeah, I use somehow a simulation for topology optimization, most of it. And sometimes more looking around what the possibilities are. Well, there were much more capabilities than I was assuming. So there was like the magnetic part where I didn't know anything about and I learned quite about a bit. And I think it's very cool that the more in-depth solutions that there were with companies, the examples that they give, I think it's really nice. So SOLIDWORKS helps you in there and can help you simulate all those things.
We use the structure simulation. Most of the time we use it in order to predict whether the part will withstand loads. It helps saving time and money, of course. Today I found the demo interesting because it showed quite different things to be aware of as a designer.
I think a lot of simulation tools gives us superpowers to be able to predict the future, to see inside the objects, have a thermal vision and also how to control wind and water, test different things virtually. It's all about saving money, but predicting the future is a big superpower, I think.